Hey everyone, and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Gunter penguin from Adventure Time, and we're going to try to do this in under 3 minutes. Let's get started in the center of our page with the eye. So we're going to start at the very top. We're going to draw a circle, working our way all the way around. Now at the top right, we're going to draw a smaller circle just tucked up against the edge of the eye for a highlight. And we're going to fill in the outer area in black. Now I'm going to move over towards the right and draw on the beak. So we're going to start at the top edge of the beak. We're going to curve in and then back out. From the top, I want to draw a straight angled line coming down towards the tip of the beak. So a slight angle coming out. Now from the bottom, we're going to go up and meet up with that point. Now I'm going to take this eye and just move over in behind the beak and draw on the right eye. Starting from the top, come around. I'm going to try to match up the height of the eye. Come back in behind the beak. We're going to add that highlight, starting with that circle. Now we're going to fill in the outside area of the eye in black. Now we're going to draw on the outside edge of the body. Starting at the top of the right eye, I'm going to start with a curve going up over the top of the head. Now I'm going to bring this down around the side and then down towards the bottom. Rounding this out. I'm going to draw a slight curve coming down and then in. We're going to continue this curve underneath the beak for the front of the body. Stepping down, I'm going to start with a straight line. I'm going to start to slightly bend it in towards the left, towards the same height. Now back on the left side, I'm going to round up this corner and come down towards the bottom of the body. Work my way up towards the right and round out the bottom right corner. Now about halfway down the body, we're going to move over towards the left and draw in the wing. Starting at the top of the wing, curve in. Now we're going to pull that down towards the tip of the wing. I'm going to curve in the opposite direction and then pull this up. Going out. I'm going to pull that up. Now we're going to take that wing and move in behind the body. So let's line this up, curving out, and then down towards the same height. I'm going to curve back in underneath the body. Now the last thing we're going to do is add the trim around the side of the body. Starting from the top of the head on the right side, we're going to curve up and out around the eye. I'm going to pull this down and in behind the wing. Now we're going to continue this curve in the opposite direction towards the bottom of the body on the left side. Starting down here, we're going to curve down and then over towards the left. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Gunter Penguin from Adventure Time. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you click that like button and tell your friends about our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.